This park is amazing. Woo. We just had lunch. It was really good. Damon's here. You wanna say hi, Damon?
Hey guys.
This is like my best friend here in China, Damon. We're roommates before. We're just here walking around. We're gonna go to the park. Here we are at the park. Those people there are camping in their tent. Chinese people will buy these tents, set them up because the sun is shining, and stay in the tent so you don't get so hot. And then you just take it home with you. You don't sleep in it at night. Maybe take a nap in it.
Some dude taking a nap.
Yeah, nap time. This park is amazing. Woo. This park is awesome. That island.
Air balloon over there.
Yeah. Woo. 你好，朋友。你好。现在不要，现在不要。这个是我的朋友。
这是朋友。
They clean your ears out with this metal. You put it in your ear and they clean everything out. It's really crazy. I've never done it and I don't really want to do it, but if you want me to do it, then just let me know. Maybe I'll do it. 打麻将，这是麻将。Playing mahjong here. Set up a hammock here, have a little smoke.
That's where the action is.
Woohoo! Yeah, just looking at the tents here. At your tent. Come relax for a day. Yeah, that's a big one. Classy Kiss, king of yogurt. Classy Kiss yogurt. Yeah, you wanna go? Do you think they'll let us go on the slides? Just a nice relaxing day. This is big. There's so much to do here. There's the big bouncy houses, trampolines, obstacle course, beautiful lake, paddle boats. Wish we could spend all day here. Just found a little bit of heaven here. Look at that. Look at the crowd, man. It's free to come in here. Whole big area. So much to do. There's a lot of food, snacks, ice cream. Beautiful. China. I love it.